watch this. The car's driving, I can put it in reverse, it backs up, I can put it in drive, goes forward, but all I do is right here, put on, where's the window? Right here. The rear window defogger, boom, car goes dead. That is cool. Alright, I got a cool one here. This is a 2020 Toyota Camry. The car runs fine, everything's good. Now there's a bunch of codes because I was playing around, but I'm in the middle of doing a rescan. There was initially no codes. But watch this. The car's driving, I can put it in reverse, it backs up, I can put it in drive, goes forward, but all I do is right here, put on, where's the window? Right here. The rear window defogger, boom, car goes dead. That is cool. Alright, there's only one thing I can think of off the hand that could cause this. Let me just restart this. It's actually not letting me restart. Let's shut off the defroster. Come on. There it goes, it started up. There's only one thing that I could think that could cause this, and that's a bad ground at the whatever's grounding the engine computer. There's probably a splice with a few different grounds on it, and one of them is going to be grounding the defogger. So it's using the defogger, it's using the window defogger as its ground. Now that's purely hypothetical. I didn't actually look this up yet. I'm just assuming this offhand. So I'm going to pull up a diagram for this. It's a 2020. Toyota Camry. 2.5 liter. Alright, let's go to diagrams. I want to look up a ground distribution diagram. Accept hybrid. Okay. Now, we have to find this window defogger, where it grounds to. I'm assuming we're going to find it together. Here we go. It is back window glass is SA base of right C-pillar. Let's find where the PCM grounds to. This thing is done over here. AF heater here, performance bank one stuck on. Coolant. Alright, it's just a random code about the heater's not working. Alright, let's see. ECM. Left front corner of engine compartment. Alright, let's just go look at this straight at these grounds. Left front corner of engine compartment. I know where that is. By the bottom of the fuse box, I think. Later here, so I'm assuming it's the same. Oh wow, see that? Right there. There's definitely some work down there, because right there I see a heat shrink connector. Now I don't know what that's to, but it's definitely, there's ground wires there. Now I think the grounds are right over here on this car, inside the fender well. So I'm going to pop this bumper off a little bit so we get a better look at them. That is clearly aftermarket tape. Alright. So, right here is the grounds. And there's, oh, someone rewired them. I don't know if you can see, but right here, somebody added a terminal. I'm going to assume that's not a good terminal. I'm going to check for ground now. I'll power them. Could I get to them from the top? If we look right here, that is definitely, someone ran this to ground. See, he spliced in these wires. So you add an external ground, that's what happened. Oh, this whole fuse box was taken apart. Okay. Alright, so if you look here, there's a bunch of grounds that somebody wired in with butt connectors. I'm trying to get a good shot. Somebody wired in these big white wires that go straight to ground through an uninsulated ring terminal. I don't know, it just doesn't look like the neatest job. Now, this thing right here is how all the grounds connect. So I don't know where this was going with. Is this melted or this glue? I don't know. But this thing just looks broken. So I'm assuming that this junction over here is broken and it's not grounding all the wires properly. Let's see, I'm trying to take this apart. Now before anything, let me get a test light and actually check if these are good grounds. So I got my jumper set. Alright, so this is connected to battery positive. Now this side I'm going to connect to a test light. And now if this touches a good ground, this test light's going to light up. So I'm going to go through these wires one at a time. Now first, this is the main one that lights up. Okay, good. That's probably the one that the guy grounded himself. That lights up. That lights up. That lights up. And this one does not. So I'm assuming this must be a PCM ground. I'm just going to run my own ground temporarily just to see if the car doesn't shut off. And then we'll know that's the fix. And so I'm going to go like this. And connect this to ground over here. And then we're just going to ground that wire straight at the battery. Alright, like that. Okay, now let's start the car. Alright. Okay, car started, runs. Now, here's the thing. We're going to turn this on, and the car still shuts off. So, I'm assuming, let's keep this on. And now let's check the grounds over there. So we'll know if it's really grounded or it's grounding through there. Let's go back to our test light setup. Okay. Battery positive. Where's my test light? Over here. Jeez, that doesn't light up, but that never lit up. Alright, now none of these light up. Unless that's just not making connection. That one lights up. That one lights up. Okay, so the last two don't light up now. So, I guess if we ground both of these, alright, so let's just go like this. Ready? Here, get rid of this. We'll put this on battery ground. And we'll put this one on battery ground. Ooh, I don't have a splitter over here. Okay, I'll get another one. And we'll put... There we go. You heard? The whole computer everything just turned on. So, this one. And the last one I should do... Let me just see right now. The car turned back on. Okay, good. So now I'm going to just do the last one also. Alright, so the red one's grounded over here. Now they're both grounded. We're gonna go on this one. That one's falling out. Okay, now this car should technically start and run, if I'm right, that this is the ground. Okay, good. So now, let's see if this turns on. Turns right on. And this is on right now. And the rear defroster's on. Shut the rear defroster off. Heater's on. Everything seems good. Turn the rear defroster on now. It's all good. Alright, so we got a bag ground on those two. Now, somebody was chasing this and he wired two of the main ones to ground. Now, that probably didn't mess anything up. I think what is messed up is that actual junction, I believe, is messed up. I'm going to try to take it apart. Maybe they sell a new one. If not, I don't know. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure if I should just wire them all to ground. I think I really should. But it's really up to the shop what they want to do. There we go. Yeah, so this whole junction is just all messed up. So we just gotta get a new one of these. Now I'm not sure how to go about that. Is this some epoxy? I can't tell if this is factory or melted or who knows what was going on here. But for now, I want to stick this in without this just to see if we're all good. Oh, I got it in. Let's see if that did anything. Okay, so we got car starts. Let's turn this on and it doesn't die. Okay, so this whole thing just wasn't making connection right here. Alright, so I'm going to tape that up for now. And I'm going to tell the shop to get a new one from the dealer. And yeah, that's a fix. Alright, it's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to just tape this up for now. And I'm going to tell them to get a new cover for this. And then this car should be fixed. Alright, I'm just going to put some clear nail polish on these wires so they don't get ruined. Now that one has a bigger hole. I think I'll actually put the electric tape. I just like this better because first of all, it dries very quick. It doesn't stick all over you. And it's see-through, so you still see the wire colors. And put some tape around this and on top. But I'm going to go show the shop first what needs to be done. Alright, thanks for watching.